everyone, my name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz and in today's topic we will discuss how to make excavation plan of your layout drawing in Autocad. So first of all, these are all the plans that we had discussed in our previous sessions. First one is basically the layout. Second one are the openings for doors and windows. Third one is the placement of doors. Fourth one is the furniture layout. Fifth one is the electrical plan. And lastly, we would go to excavation plan. For making excavation plan, you just have to make such type of plan which didn't have furniture or any electrical layout in your design. Then you have to make layer. I have already made the layer, so I will directly go with excavation. And for starting, we have to take the offset of 9 inches on both sides of our drawing, and then offset, again offset, and then enter 9 inches, and then take offset of both these lines and inside and in outside as well. These are basically the lines that will be served as the boundary wall for our AutoCAD file. Or I would say the foundation for our walls and construction. That would be very helpful for us. When you just made all these lines, then you just select all these lines, or I would directly draw line and then use mesh properties command for it. For using mesh properties, you have to type MA and then enter, and then first select the source object, then all those objects that you want it to be done. So I will change all these colors. Of our lines that we just had made. And when all had been done, you just have to type escape. And I will just use Fillet command for joining all those lines. For doing fillet multiple times, you just have to type F and then enter, then M for multiple, and then enter. The foundation wall width should be 2 feet 6 inches or 18 inches, which would be helpful for you. And when you just done your excavation plan, then this will look like this. And for finalization, you just have to take the dimensions of it. That would be 2 feet 3 inches along the periphery in width. And it would be not more than 2 feet 6 inches, because all other are 2 feet 6 inches. That is all. In this way, you can make the excavation plan of your layout in AutoCAD.